So the trades of the week this week have been really good ones, and a good mix we've got for you today. We've got some FX, we've got some stocks, we've got some commodities as well. So a good range of markets. And I'm going to start off by looking at AstraZeneca. Had a fantastic long trade a couple of weeks ago, and it hit target earlier this week. I just want to go into a bit of detail about why we got onto this trade. Now, the first thing we're seeing here is a strong uptrend on the monthlies, which is, we like to look at trends here at Trendsignal, establish the trend and then look for trades much more so in that direction. It's very easy to do with Trendsignal. This green line here on the monthly chart really telling us we should be looking for opportunities to buy this market. So what we can then do is now look at the daily chart, and we'll see the opportunity to buy that we had here. So nice little bounce off this green support line there, and then turning into an opportunity to buy. Looking to go long AstraZeneca there, 29.78. Targeting up to this sort of 31.99 area. Big move around 221 points there. And she's ripped through that level a little bit towards the end of this week. But nonetheless, a fantastic move and a really good a lot of profit there on AstraZeneca there. So for those stock traders, this is probably my trade of the week here, or result of the week on AstraZeneca. Moving through to the Bund, very much an underrated market. It's probably one of the most liquid markets in the world, and yet it's not really traded by many people here in the UK. So, but what we had is really nice, what we call continuation trade. Very strong uptrend, and a strong uptrend for quite a reasonable amount of time now. We had a couple of buys earlier on in the month and February. But what we've had is a really nice, what we call continuation buy here. Little bit of support, but what we're really generally seeing is that upswing there from green to red on this indicator here, getting us into that opportunity to buy. Market then moving up really nicely to the top of the price envelope there, picking up 202 points profit. We're out of that trade yesterday. Really nice move there. But what about other markets? And there, the currency side of things have been really moving this week. With the Cyprus news previous week, this week we had some really great trades there, and suddenly a little bit of continued selling pressure as we filled that gap on euro dollar. Let's just have a look at that actually. See how we filled the gap from the Cyprus news, hit it, and then started to reverse back down again, which then led us to a really nice short trade there on Monday. And that Monday trade taking us all the way down, picking up at about 125 points there on that 4-hour chart. This is a great time frame for those of you that are quite busy throughout the day, but can probably look at the markets 3 or 4 times throughout the day here. This is a really good time frame for Trendsignal users trading in that way. It works really well for our strategies and really helps fit in trading with a lot of people's lifestyle. Great short trade. Really high when this indicator turns from green to red, change in color identifying that turning point in the market. The trend, as you can see from higher time frames, if you're a Trendsignal user, is down. We're looking for shorts. This then gives us our next opportunity to sell, and a great profit on that trade there earlier this week. Looking through to some of the shorter term time frames, really my trade of the week on gold was this great little sniper. And actually we were talking about this during the workshop on Wednesday. So if anyone attended the sales presentation on Wednesday, then you'll have seen this trade really in the running. We started at 12.30. The trade really kicked in at about 12.15. Lovely long trade, a little sniper long here with the yellow disc and the green outline, suggesting that upswing in the market and that opportunity to profit. Really nice move of about 40 points there, taking us into in really about sort of half an hour, 45 minutes. A really nice move. And the final move, just finally, this is my trade from today. I was actually running a live trading session for new users today, and so this is today, Thursday, and what we've got here is the opportunity to buy. And what we're looking for, let's just go into this in a little bit of detail, because actually this is a great trade. What I'm going to do, I'm going to start off by looking at the 4-hour chart. What I'm looking for is reasons to buy. I'm just going to compress up the chart here, and we saw this lovely level of support, this 119.84 area there. Now, I appreciate that, if you're brand new to trading, you might be thinking, oh, this is a bit too complicated. Do you know what? It really isn't. We start you off on the basics, and then you're going to begin to learn how to identify trades just like this, so that you can trade off markets and trade like just the professionals like we have here at Trendsignal. So 119.84 hits that level. Okay, then we're going to go down to back to the 15-minute chart. We see how we went down to that level here. Market then lifted, rallied, sniper circle kicking in, giving us that buying opportunity right here. 120.21. What's my target? 120.82 there. We're looking for that profit there of about 61 points, and the market got there within an hour and a half. And I called this live during a live trading session to new Trendsignal users as well. So really nice move. For me, this is probably my trade of the week on the intraday side, but some really good moves this week and a really good snapshot of what we've been doing this week, some of the trades we've been getting on. I hope you found it a useful video, and if you want to know more about us, then why don't you book yourself a place for one of our online trading webinars, and then you can learn a lot more about what we do here at Trendsignal, or maybe come and see us at our live trading event at our office near Milton Keynes on Friday the 5th of April. All the best, guys, and hope you had a great Easter. Thank you. Bye-bye.